myself, Wangom Lowang of Class 8 Sailor, standing in front of you to narrate a story. And the title of the story is The Fisherman and the Magical Fish. Long, long ago, there was a fisherman. He was very poor. Once, he caught a fish, and the moment he was about to kill it, the fish spoke, "Don't kill me, and I shall grant you 3 wishes." The fisherman was astonished and agreed to release the fish. The fish asked the fisherman to wished for 3 things. The fisherman said to the fish to wait so he could ask his wife what she wants. He hurried to home and said all things about it to his wife. But his wife was greedy. Then his wife demanded for 100 bags of gold. The fisherman went to the fish and asked for 100 bags of gold, and at once the wish was granted. But the wife of the fisherman was not content. So again she demanded for a palace of her own. Then the fisherman again asked for it. And when he was going back to home, he saw a big palace with many guards. Then, the moment he was about to enter the palace, the guards stopped him. Then he called out for his wife. His wife but said that she doesn't want him anymore and wanted to live in the luxurious palace alone, and ordered his guards to throw the fisherman away. The fisherman was desperate and went back to the fish. The fish said to wish for uh, his last wish. Then the fisherman realized that though earlier he was poor, but he was happy with it, and wished that all the things should go back to normal as it was earlier. After that, he went back to his home. There, his wife was crying and begging the fisherman to forgive her. The fisherman happily forgave her, and afterwards they lived a happy life. Thank you.